Hi dear student, this class I am going to discuss about the transformation of axis. In this transformation of axis there are two ideas are there. One is translation of axis, the next one is rotation of axis. You can observe the two diagrams here. This is the translation of axis. What I did here, origin shifted to this particular point. Origin shifted to here without rotating the axis. New x-axis is parallel to the old x-axis. New y-axis is parallel to the old y-axis. Origin is shifted to a point h comma k. Here origin is 0 comma 0. Here the origin is h comma k. Origin is shifted to some point h comma k. Whereas here what I did, without shifting the origin, axes are rotated through an angle theta. This is the original x-axis and this is the new x-axis after rotating through an angle theta in anti-clockwise direction. So this is the angle theta. Axes are rotated through an angle. X-axis rotated, that is automatically y-axis also rotates. So this is the rotation of axis and this is the translation of axis. Shifting without rotation, whereas here just rotated. Okay, so these are the two different types of transformations we are going to discuss in this particular class. First of all, here there is a point P x comma y is there, means from this point P onto the x-axis the perpendicular distance is y. From the same point P onto the y-axis the perpendicular distance is x. That means this height is small y and this distance is small x. Right? Now, with respect to the new axis, the same point coordinates, position of a point not changing, position of the point same only. With respect to this new axis, this point, with respect to this new x-axis and new y-axis, this point coordinates are capital X comma capital Y. So small x small y represents original coordinates, old coordinates with respect to original axis. Capital X and capital Y represents new coordinates, that means with respect to new x-axis and y-axis. Now you can observe here, this total height is equals to y and this length is equal to small x. Now with respect to the new axis, this length, that is nothing but pm dash, is equal to capital Y. At the same time O dash m dash is equal to capital X. This length is equal to capital X. What is the meaning here? We have a point 2 comma 3 is there, means this height is equal to 3, this length is equals to 2 units. If you know this length 2 units and this height is 3 units, then we can say that particular point, right? So this point is 2 comma 3 means distance to height 3. The same, this point coordinates are capital X comma capital Y with respect to the new axis, means this height is equal to capital Y and this length is equal to capital X. That is enough. That is the information. Now observe here. This total height is equals to y. That can be written as Pm dash plus m dash m or not. Or m dash m is nothing but k or not. Because h comma k, this point is h comma k, means this height is equals to k. This height is the same as m dash m. That means this is k, this is capital Y. That's why small y is nothing but this total length. The total length is small y. Because small x and small y are the coordinates of the same point with respect to the original axis. That's why this total height is small y, that is equal to capital Y plus k. Next, this total length is equal to small x, that must be equal to this length is capital X, which is the same as this one, plus this length is equal to, come on, this length. What about this length? H, small h, because origin is shifted to h comma k. This length is small h, that is nothing but on length is small h. That's why x we can write it as, this is capital X and this is h. So that is the reason we got x is equal to x plus h, y is equal to y plus k. So capital X and capital Y are the position coordinates of the same point with respect to new axis. Small x comma small y are the coordinates of the point with respect to the original axis. When the origin is shifted to a point h comma k, then we can write x is equal to capital X plus h, y is equal to capital Y plus k. That is about the translation of axis. Now come back to the discussion regarding the rotation of axis. There what happens, observe here. Now this is the original x-axis and original y-axis. With respect to the original axis, this position of this point is small x and small y. Now that means this height is equal to, that is nothing but pm. Pm is equal to small y. At the same time, OM is equal to small x. Because the point is px comma y, means this length is equal to small x, this pm height is equal to y. Now with respect to the new axis, the same point position is capital X, capital Y. Now from this point a line is drawn perpendicularly onto the new x-axis. Now this length is y, agree or not? This length is y, and at the same time this length is capital X, agree? Because this is the new x-axis, new y-axis, new x-axis, new y-axis. From a point a line is drawn perpendicularly, this becomes capital Y, and from this point to the origin, this distance is equal to capital X. That information you have to know. That means Pn is equal to capital Y, On is equals to capital X. This information you know. Now observe the triangle ONR. ONR. From the triangle ONR we can write cos theta is equals to OR divided by ON. Therefore OR is equal to ON cos theta. But this ON is nothing but capital X or not. That's why OR is equal to capital X cos theta. From the same triangle, sin theta is equal to NR, opposite side, NR divided by ON. NR divided by ON. NR is the same as MQ. NR is the same as MQ. That's why we got MQ is equal to X into sin theta. Now this is theta, means this angle is also theta. Now observe this triangle. From this triangle what we can write? Cos theta is equal to adjacent side PQ divided by PN. Arey, what is PN? PN is nothing but capital Y. That's why cos theta is equal to PQ by PN. So we got PQ is equal to PN cos theta, that means Y cos theta. From the same diagram, sin theta is equals to QN. QN divided by PN. QN divided by PN. QN is the same as MR. That's why we got MR is equal to Y sin theta. Now we required small x value first of all. What is the small x? Small x is nothing but OM. OM is nothing but OR minus MR. Tell me what is OR? OR information is there already, we have x cos theta. What about MR? MR information is also there, minus Y sin theta. Next, small y is equals to, from this diagram, small y is equal to PM. Small y is equals to PM. For PM is nothing but PQ plus QM. Tell me what is the PQ? We have already PQ. PQ is equal to Y cos theta. PQ is equal to Y cos theta, and MQ is equal to X sin theta. MQ is equal to X sin theta. MQ is equal to X sin theta, and PQ is equal to Y cos theta. That is the information, right? So earlier we got x is equal to x plus h and y is equal to y plus k. Original coordinates is equal to new coordinate plus new origin, right? But similarly from here I can write easily x is equal to x minus h, y is equal to y minus k we can write. But here x is equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta, y is equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. But again what is capital X, capital Y? So that's why we can remember this one easily. So here we have x, y, write down here capital X and a capital Y. This is a cos theta minus a sin theta. Next one is here sin theta and a cos theta. Now you can check small x is equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta. Small y is equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. If you know this table, anyone we can find out. New to old, old to new. X is equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta. Y is equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. Now tell me what is it? Capital X is equal to, capital X is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta. Capital Y is equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. So from this we can find out the new and old coordinates, right? So just I am saying again, x is equal to, capital X is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta, right? Capital X is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta, whereas capital Y is equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. So these are the positions of when the origin is shifted, this one. When the axes are rotated, this one. See, one equation is given. We have an equation in terms of x and y. F of x comma y is equal to 0. When the origin is shifted to a point h comma k, how this equation changes? What is the new equation with respect to the new axis? Origin is shifted to h comma k. Then this equation, how it transforms? Yes. This equation transforms as x plus h comma y plus k is equals to 0. Suppose f of x comma y is equal to 0 given. When the axes are rotated through an angle theta, when the axes are rotated through an angle theta, what is the new equation for this? Then what we are write? As I told, f of x cos theta minus y sin theta. In place of x we have to write x cos theta minus y sin theta. Next x sin theta plus y cos theta is equal to 0. That type of questions they may ask in the objective exam. So this is the original equation, new equation. This is the original equation, new equation. If old equation given, we can find out new equation from this. If new equation given, or f of x comma y is equal to 0 is the equation when the axes are translated to some point h comma k. What is the original equation for this? Then what to do? In place of x we have to write x minus h. In place of y we have to write y minus k is equal to 0. This is the original equation when the axes are translated to a point. So based on this, just I want to discuss a few questions. Pay attention here. The first question is like this: 4x x square 3 comma minus 5. These are the old coordinates. This when the axis, when the origin is shifted to a point to 2 comma minus 3, what about its new coordinates? Or this is small x comma small y given. h comma k given. Now you can find out capital X and capital Y or not, because capital X is equal to x minus h, then you will get 1. Capital Y is equal to y minus k, y minus k, you will get minus 2. These are the new coordinates of that particular point. Suppose they have given the equation like this: x square plus 3x plus 4y plus y square plus 7 is equal to 0. This is the equation. X square plus 3x plus 4y plus y square plus 7 is equal to 0. When the origin is shifted to a point 2 comma 1, what is the new equation? When the axis is shifted to a point, the origin is shifted to a point 2 comma 3. Origin is shifted to a point 2 comma 3. What about its new equation? Then what to do? In place of x we have to write x plus 2. In place of y we have to write y plus 3. So it changes as x plus 2 whole square plus 3 times x plus 2 plus 4 times y plus 2 plus y plus 3 here, y plus 3 whole square plus 7 is equal to 0. This is the transformed equation, new equation with respect to the new origin. At the same time, don't think in the answer definitely they have to give capital X and capital Y. No need to give capital X and capital Y. How the equation changes. This we are writing capital X and capital Y just for our representation, right? So when the origin is shifted to a point 2 comma 3, this equation transforms into this form. This is in terms of capital X and capital Y. It is not compulsory. Answer also they have to give in capital X and capital Y. If you simplify, whatever answer you will get an answer in terms of capital X, capital Y. The same. Suppose you see here, x square plus y square, 4x plus 3x is 7x, right? Here 6y plus 4y is 10y, plus 6 plus 12 18, 18 plus 7 25, 25 plus 9 34 is equal to 0. This is the answer we got. Don't expect the answer it appear like that. They may give like this also: x square plus y square plus 7x plus 10y plus 34 is equal to 0. This is the new equation. This is old equation. After shifting the origin, this is the new equation. So in the question meaning you have to understood. Whether they are given in small letters or whether they are given in capital letters, you have to catch. Yes, this is capital X and capital Y. Okay. So here another one is 4x square plus 9y square minus 8x plus 36y plus 4 is equal to 0. Where we have to shift the origin to remove the first degree terms in this equation. To remove the first degree terms, where we have to shift the origin, because I don't know where we have to shift. I am assuming origin is shifted to a point h comma k. When origin is shifted to a point h comma k, what happens? In place of x we have to write x plus h. In place of y we have to write y plus k. Write down 4 into x plus h whole square plus 9 into y plus k whole square minus 8 into x plus h plus 36 into y plus k plus 4 is equals to 0. First degree terms we have to remove. That means small x, this is the first degree term. Here x power 1, y power 1. First degree terms we have to remove. Here degree is 2, we have to remove the first degree terms. To remove the first degree terms, where we have to shift the origin. Now observe here, this is 4x square plus 4h square plus 8hx. Next 9y square plus 9k square plus 18ky. Next minus 8x minus 8h plus 36y plus 36k plus 4 is equal to 0. Right? Now 4x square plus 9y square, these are the second degree terms. Next, observe, this is the first degree term x. Here also first degree term. Take x common here. If we are taking x common, we will get 8h minus 8. Next, here y, here also y. If you take y common, then what we will get? 18k plus 36. So second degree terms. Next, first degree terms I written. Remaining is constant only. What is the constant? Here we have 4h square. Because first degree, second degree, we have to think about the variable only. Variable is x and y, right? So that's why 4h square. Next one is plus 9k square minus 8h plus 36k plus 4 is equal to 0. What is asking in the question? We have to remove the first degree terms. To remove the first degree term, this must be equal to 0. That's why 8h minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore h is equal to 1. We have to remove the first degree term. This term we have to remove means this must be equal to 0. That's why 18k plus 36 is equal to 0. Therefore we can write k is equal to minus 2. That's why origin should be shifted to 1 comma minus 2 to remove the first degree terms in this equation. If we are shifting the origin to a point 1 comma minus 2, the first degree terms will be eliminated from that equation, right? So that is the way of shifting the origin to remove the first degree terms. I hope so everyone have a familiar with the differentiation. Take care. Differentiate this one by considering y as a constant. Differentiate this one by considering y as a constant. Come on. 4 into x square differentiation, that's why 2x. So that's why 8x. It's a constant, differentiation 0. Now its differentiation is minus 8. It is a constant, differentiation 0, constant, differentiation 0. That's why 8x minus 8 is equal to 0. We got the value of x is equals to 1. Here also we got 1. Next, differentiate this one by considering x as a constant. Differentiate this one by considering x as a constant. Constant differentiation 0. 9y square differentiation is 18y. Constant differentiation 0 plus 36y is equals to 0. Therefore we will get y is equal to minus 2. So that is the way directly we can do. To remove the first degree terms in this equation, the origin should be shifted to 1 comma minus 2. Earlier method, and this is the way we can do it in objective exam. Suppose this is the question, you can observe ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. To remove the first degree terms in this equation, the origin should be shifted to the point hf minus bg divided by ab minus h square. hf minus bg by ab minus h square. Next one is gh minus af divided by ab minus h square. To remove the first degree terms in this equation, the origin should be shifted to this particular point. Here another one, ax square plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. To remove the first degree terms in this equation, this equation and this equation, what is the difference? Sorry, here h is there, here h term is not there. That means xy term is not there, but here xy term is there. What is xy coefficient here? H. Put h is equal to 0 here. If you put h is equal to 0, then what happens? Minus g by a, comma, minus f by b. In this particular problem, tell me what is a value? A is equal to 4. What is 2g value? Minus 8. Therefore, g is equal to how much? Minus 4. Now apply this one. You will get x coordinate as 1. Similarly, what is the b value? 9. What is the 2f value? 36. So f is equals to 18. So apply here this formula minus f by b. You will get minus 2. But compare to this one or this one, if you understood this one differentiation, that is going to be easy. Either this formula or this formula we will get by the differentiation method only. Because I am saying that one time we have to consider x as a constant. One time we have to consider y as a constant. Actually this is a special differentiation which we will call it as a partial differentiation, which is not in the syllabus. Anyway, it is not in the syllabus. Just for the techniques purpose we are going to use that one. Okay. So that is about the other idea, where we have to shift the origin to remove the first degree terms in the given equation. So this is the another question given. Root 3x square minus 4xy plus root 3y square is equal to 0. When the axes are rotated through an angle pi by 6 in anti-clockwise direction, what about the new equation? When the axes are rotated through an angle pi by 6, what about its new equation? So then what happens? X is equals to x cos pi by 6, x cos theta minus y sin pi by 6. Next one is y is equals to x sin pi by 6 plus y cos pi by 6. All of you remember this particular one. X, y, small x, small y. This is cos theta minus sin theta. Sin theta, cos theta. This figure has to be there in your mind. X is equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta. Y is equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. Right? Now, in place of x, what we have to write? Cos 30 value root 3 by 2. That's why root 3 x divided by 2 minus y divided by 2. Whereas here x by 2 plus y into root 3 by 2. Now substitute here root 3 into, in place of x we have to write root 3 x minus y divided by 2 whole square minus 4 into root 3 x minus y divided by 2 is multiplied with x plus y root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3 into y square, that is x plus y root 3 divided by 2 whole square is equal to 0. Right? So this simplification you will get the transformed equation, that is new equation. So another question they are asking like this: x square plus 2xy minus y square is equal to 0. To remove xy term in this equation, to remove x into y term, that means to remove this particular term in this equation, with what angle we have to rotate the axis? To remove the xy term in this equation, the angle of rotation is asking. Okay, let us say the angle of rotation is equal to theta. X cos theta minus y sin theta. Next one is x sin theta plus y cos theta. Substitute here, then we will get x cos theta minus y sin theta whole square plus 2 into x cos theta minus y sin theta multiplied with y, x sin theta plus y cos theta minus y square x sin theta plus y cos theta whole square is equal to 0. Now simplify this one. X square cos square theta plus y square sin square theta minus 2xy into sin theta cos theta. This simplification. Next one plus 2 into x square cos square theta x square cos theta sin theta x square cos theta sin theta. Next one is here xy cos square theta plus xy cos square theta minus xy sin square theta xy sin square theta minus y square sin theta cos theta. That is the simplification of these two terms. Minus next x sin square theta plus y cos square theta plus 2xy into sin theta cos theta must be equal to 0. No need to think about the entire term. Just you concentrate on xy term. Observe here. What is saying? We have to eliminate the xy term. Go here xy term whose coefficient is minus sin 2 theta because of 2 sin theta cos theta. Next here also we have xy term. What about its coefficient? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. If you take xy common, cos square theta minus sin square theta, that's why plus 2 times cos 2 theta. Next here also we have an xy term, that is minus sin 2 theta. That is the coefficient of xy term, because we have to eliminate xy term. We have to eliminate xy term means xy coefficient we are equating to 0. Now this simplification is 2 times cos 2 theta is equals to 2 times sin 2 theta, because xy coefficient we are equating to 0. Then we will get tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta is equals to 1. Tan 2 theta is equals to 1 means 2 theta is equals to 45. Theta is equals to pi by 8. So this is the angle of rotation. This is the angle of rotation. We have to rotate with this angle to remove the xy term from the given equation, right? So this is the way to proceed to remove the xy term. But the same question we can do in this way. What is a value? Because it is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0. To remove xy term in this equation, the angle of rotation is theta is equals to half into tan inverse of 2h by a minus b. To remove xy term in this equation, the angle of rotation, how we are getting this formula is same the method which I discussed now. With that method proceed here, you will get this particular formula. Okay, so this is the better way of remembering the formula. Theta is equal to 1 by 2 into tan inverse 2h by a minus b. This is the angle of rotation to remove the xy term from this equation. Okay, observe here. What is a value? Theta is equals to 1 by 2 into tan inverse of 2h is equals to 2. That's why h is equals to 1. That's why in place of 2h we can write 2. In place of 2h we can write 2 by a minus b. A is 1, b is minus 1. That's why you will get 2. Tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse of 1 how much? 45. That's why we are getting 1 by 2 into pi by 4, that is equals to pi by 8. So To remove the xy term in this equation, the angle of rotation must be equal to theta, that is equal to pi by 8. Better to remember this one as a shortcut for objective exams. Okay, so that is the discussion regarding transformation of axis. Actually, what is the use this transformation of axis? Best because of the transformation of axis, we can transform the equation, right? And few more advantages are also there. We are going to discuss in the coming class. Okay, bye bye.